Yay! It's Sydney from GLOW UTOPIA, and today I just wanted to walk you through what you would get through in your kit. I'm not going to go through a lot of explanation. I'm just going to show you what shall be arriving so you know what to expect. Here's the kit. The pieces you should receive in your kit are our dry brush ritual kit instructions. We also have an expanded e-brochure that's available on our website. And I recommend this e-brochure a lot because it has a lot more information in it, as well as a little more information on how to use each brush and how to customize which brush you use according to your skin concern. What should be arriving in your kit is a nice massage brush for self-massage and using with oils and lotions. You should also get 100% natural, unbleached Boar bristle dry brush here. And there you go. That might give you an idea of the stiffness. Your brush heads should have a handle. If you got a set with a cotton white handle, the handle will be white and cotton. These are pink and elastic. And then you should also get this Ultimate Detox brush. This is actually my personal favorite because it combines the power of the massage with the Boar bristle. So I think, personally, I feel you get the ultimate in exfoliation, self-massage, lymphatic massage, cellulite treatment, all that good stuff is in this one. This one does have the stiffest profile, and what I mean when I say that is that it feels a little bit harsher than the other ones. You'll get a mini face brush for facial dry brushing, and you'll get the handle. This handle can be used with any of these three brushes, and you can use any of these three brushes without that handle. And you can use this band if you feel like it, or you can just grab it like this and go to town.